message which all of us should ponder upon. I have done my duty to God and my country. To my mind, the most I have done is having helped with the little I could do to save the lives of the surrendered soldiers of Bataan and Correo. I have offered myself as guarantor for men later released by the enemy that they commit to anti-Japanese actmen who saw bitter fighting, but also to encourage them and who, if they have any guts left, who could continue their resistance. I have acted not only for the sake of humanity, but also to encourage them to fight again. If you
She assumed a parental role when her father died in her early childhood, thus building the foundation of dynamic leadership. A consistent scholar, she earned a teacher's certificate, MA in sociology, and graduates readings in social work. She was a notable student, speaker, and lecturer as well as leader of the Filipinos and Orientals abroad.
Love that gives to that rest, but the love that leads life upward is the noblest and the best. Her last words to remember were take care of the girls. Her legacy to love and serve others makes her life forever in the movement she mothered. She was mother to millions of pupils, stars, juniors, seniors, and cadets. Strong and healthy, caring and wise, dedicated to a mission of service and citizenship at its best.
To his or her commitment, choice not chance, determines one's destiny. Josefa Lianes Escoda is our model for loving our fellow men, not with words or tongue, but with truths and action, serving others with a cause, until life was lost to her in these historic recesses of Fort Santiago.
She was a model of loyalty in all her works. This she showed by doing her faithfully to God, to her country, to her people in spite of difficulty that come along her way. Come and share your blessings in recognition of the great sacrifices
of her, as we now offer flowers and drop into the basket our contribution to the Escoda Memento Fund. Let us sing the song Girl Scout Hymn.
We're ready ever to rise together, to refugee and speak on land. No rest too lonely, no cost too lofty, praise for God and motherland. Yes, the girls in green are we, proud and honored so to be. The Girl Scouts of the Philippines, Girl Scouts of the Philippines. We are the Girl Scouts, the RP Girl Scouts, and wherever we may be, in Pardes Barrios, in town or pueblo, we will do our duty full and free. At home and leisure, outdoors with nature, on native soil and overseas. Whether the run is stars in your knees, we're rallied to the GSP. Yes, the girls in green are we, proud and honored so to be. The Girl Scouts of the Philippines, Girl Scouts of the Philippines. Movement to which we have committed ourselves by our promise and oath. May Almighty God, in His loving mercy and